I'm Scott Raymond. I am in charge of the non-recourse loan program for First National Bank of America. My actual title is Market President. It is a non-recourse loan, so that the only thing the bank has as collateral is the piece of real estate that's being pledged and being purchased. So the individual that owns the IRA is not liable for the loan. The IRA itself is not liable for the loan. So the bank is making a loan strictly on real estate based upon the income that it can generate. What a non-recourse loan, real estate loan, can do for the individual is, let's say you've got an IRA that has $100,000 in it and you want to buy a piece of property that's worth $200,000. Well, we can come in as a bank and we can lend a portion of that. So you can take your $100,000 and buy a $200,000 property. So you immediately have an asset that's larger than what your initial investment was. And presumably that will generate enough income to both pay the debt obligation and increase the value of the IRA along with the appreciation of the property. Another way that it can help is you can have a piece of property that you already own in the IRA and let's say you pay cash for it. That's free and clear. The bank can come in and do a cash out refi on that piece of property to allow you to then go out and buy a second piece of property so that you can expand both the income on the IRA and also the assets that are in the IRA. We will only finance residential use properties. So that can be anything from a single family home, a 1 to 4 family. We've done apartment complexes. We've done short-term rentals that are, the Airbnb sorts of properties. And we've done some mobile home parks where the mobile homes are attached to the property owned by the IRA and rented out to people. So it's strictly just residential use properties. You can buy, commercial properties with it, but not with FNBA financing. We have found that a lot of our investors are not necessarily buying properties that are in the location that they're at. We find people in California that are buying properties in New Orleans or Florida or New Jersey or in the Midwest. And frankly, the Midwest has become a fairly significant part of our business because the properties tend to be more fairly priced. From application to close, it can take 30 to 45 days, and that's mostly dictated by the time it takes to get appraisals and title work. When you apply for a loan at FNBA for one of these non-recourse loans, once we have all the necessary information, we typically can have a loan approval in 2 to 4 days, 2 to 4 business days. And then once that happens, we will issue a commitment letter. The borrower signs the commitment letter. We then start the process of ordering appraisals, title work, and everything else. If we can get appraisals back quickly, we can close quickly. We've closed loans from start to finish in less than 3 weeks. To find out more about our non-recourse loans for self-directed retirement plans, check us out at FNBA.com.